Why you might want porcelain slab countertops. Porcelain slab countertops are quickly becoming a favorite choice in modern homes, and for good causes. If you're planning a kitchen upgrade, this material offers a perfect blend of style and performance. One of the biggest advantages is durability. Porcelain is highly resistant to scratches, heat, and stains. You can place hot pans directly on the surface without worrying about damage, making it ideal for busy kitchens. Another major benefit is its low maintenance. Unlike natural stones, porcelain does not require sealing. It's non-porous, which means it won't absorb liquids or harbor bacteria, keeping your kitchen more hygienic with minimal effort. Aesthetics also play a big role. Porcelain slabs are available in a wide range of designs, including marble, concrete, and even wood-like finishes. This allows you to achieve a premium look without the high cost or upkeep of natural materials. In addition, porcelain is lightweight compared to granite or quartz. This makes installation easier and allows for more flexibility in design, especially for vertical applications like backsplashes or wall cladding. Lastly, it's an eco-friendly option. Porcelain is made from natural materials and is often recyclable, making it a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. If you want a countertop that combines beauty, strength, and practicality, porcelain slabs are definitely worth considering. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.